It's November 5th, 2011. We're here with my friend. What's your name?
Ashley.
Ashley? And Ashley, why are you here at Occupy Wall Street?
I am here to support students, veterans, people who are basically getting sold out. I've lived on welfare my whole entire life. My mom's working a dead-end job, and my other mom works 2 jobs, and we're still struggling. My grandmother lives here. She works a very decent job, and she lives in the ghetto in Brooklyn. And I'm here to support everybody. This should not be allowed. We should not have to suffer through this. While corporate gets bailed out, they get high, pensions, they get bonuses. This isn't fair to us because we're struggling, sleeping on the streets.
Now, what school did you say you went to?
The group I'm with, we are from Bloomsburg University, Pennsylvania, and it's basically central PA. We came up here to do this and to support this.
Thank you very much. Thank you for being